Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're day 2 at the Fintech Summit, and with me is Biswas Dhakal. He is the founder and chairman at F1Soft. Thank you so much for coming over.
Thank you, Meena. Thank you for inviting.
How's everything going for you today?
Perfecto.
All good?
Yes.
Tutto perfecto.
Yeah.
Amazing. Tell me a little bit about your company then.
Yeah. I started a company back in 2004, and from that time, I'm heavily engaged on building the fintech companies. Like I started with the wallet, and then now it's serve more than two-thirds of the populations. And then we build a payment infrastructure, which does like a fast payment rail in country, and we settle close to $46 billion annually.
Incredible.
And, which is like a larger than the GDP. And now we are house of like 1,500 engineers, and we're building the transformative financial instruments, which helps like a financial institutions to take the banking services beyond the bank.
Right.
So we are like a largely talking about like embedded banking. Today, like we say, like how we can implement more banking components in the lifestyle of the people.
Right.
So it's a big mission, but I say like when we started back in 2004 and today when I see the fintech has changed so dramatically, and you need to catch up, you need to be like more agile, more like
yes.
innovative, and that's actually like keeping up us
Just
alive.
like any entrepreneur,
Yeah.
So since you're a founder, I wanted to ask you, what's that one main personality trait that you think every founder needs to embed in order to be successful?
I think like for me, I don't know about like all, but I say like what drives you, either that's like the commercial angle or the wealth angle or more like the solving the problem. So I think it's more like for me is how big problem you are solving with your innovations. That's actually fuel you every day when you wake up and start working. So I say like how many people I have or my technology has impacted, how many people's life I have changed or my technology has changed. So rather than like looking at how much revenue we earn or how much profitability we make or how much dividend we distribute to our promoters, we always focus on how many life we touch with our technology. And we say like happily in Nepal, where like the population is 30 million, so our technology serves more than 22 million lives straightforward. And then it's actually like, and then now we're going beyond Nepal to take our technology and how we can serve the emerging market, developing market, or underdeveloped
that's similar to Nepal, where you can just use that as a benchmark, right?
Yes.
And I suppose you work a lot with the government then in Nepal as well.
Yeah, we do work with the government as a fast payment rail. So we have more than 14 fintech verticals inside F1Soft group, and which acts as a very specific like these segments, and with the aspirations of every company will go IPO. And so it's actually like some of the components works closely with the central bank and the government for building a national infra on a payment side. And some are components which works with the banks to make the banking components more fragile, more agile, and more fragmented on the integration side.
Right. Tell me one more thing quickly. What's your definition for success?
I'll say like you need to literally dream about it, and you need to work on it, and you need to be super focused. And you need to do one thing, which actually like make you master on that. So you can't dream of doing all the things and becoming like the master on that. So I believe like being a master is a different than like being known for all the companies. So we say like my definition for the success is like earlier when you had a little bit of issue with your health, you go with the general physicians, But nowadays you go and deep dive what is the specific root cause, and then you go and look for the specific doctor.
Right.
That means like it's a huge difference on looking at the speciality rather than the general like kind of practitioner. So I believe on that, what is the speciality of F1Soft? We need to focus on that, and we need to learn more, doing the same thing every day, so that you'll be like a position yourself in a different
Right. Beautiful. Absolute pleasure speaking to you today.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And hope to see you very soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.